Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to disable highlight notifications in your Discord server completely updated for the latest version of the app. If you've been getting pinged too often by highlights, this will help you quiet things down in just a few taps. First, open your Discord app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom right corner and tap on your profile icon. This will take you straight to your personal settings menu. Next, tap the small settings icon. This is where all your customization options are found. Now scroll down through the list until you see notifications, then tap it to open your notification preferences. Inside the notification settings, you'll find a section called Highlight Notification. This is the feature that alerts you whenever Discord thinks a message is relevant or engaging for you, even if you weren't tagged directly. Handy for staying in the loop, but also pretty noisy if you're managing or chatting in multiple servers. To regain some peace and quiet, tap on Highlight Notification. You will see a list of servers that currently send these highlight alerts. Simply find the server you want to adjust, then toggle off the switch next to its name. Once the switch is turned off, Discord will stop sending highlight alerts from that specific server. If you like, you can repeat this step for any other server that's been sending too many highlight notifications. You're in full control, customize everything to match how you like to stay connected.